Windows keyboard shortcuts. Alt plus Tab to switch the tab. Alt plus F4 plus Enter, turn off. Window plus D, minimize tabs. Control plus T, Chrome new tab. Control plus H, Chrome history. Control plus Shift plus N, incognito mode. Control plus J, downloads. Control plus D, to bookmark. Control plus click, select tabs to be opened of a page in different tabs. Control plus Shift plus T, opens last tab closed. Control plus Alt plus Delete, open Task Manager and helps to know why PC is hanged. Control plus Z, undo. Control plus Y, redo. Shift plus arrows, to select text. Control plus A, select all.